What is Allegiant doing? Like, what kind of efforts are they doing to, bring the military crowd?
So something that we just started, just went live just a couple days ago. It's our military maintenance to A&P program. And what we're doing is a lot of the military guys, you're 19, 20 years old working on a $50-60 million aircraft, no problem.
Yeah.
But on the civilian side, you have to have your A&P certification in order to sign off anything on an aircraft. So to help them get their A&P certification, we partnered with Code 1 Maintenance, obviously. And we're going to get, as soon as they separate from the Air Force, they come to us, they apply with us. We start them out at $25 an hour or whatever the pay is for a non-A&P rate.
Right.
And then we send them to school. We send them to Code 1 Maintenance down in Tucson.
Okay.
And then they get their A&P. We'll pay for the whole course. And once they get their A&P certification, they go to the base or location of choice that they applied for. So, like I said, it's a new process and it might be a little bumpy at first, but I think it's going to be very successful once we get it rolling.
For sure.
So it's, we're paying everything for the whole A&P. And all we're asking is that guys sign a letter saying that they're going to stay for at least 1 year.
Okay.
So we're asking them to stay for 12 months. So.
Oh, nice.
And then that way, we make sure we get our biggest bang for the buck. If we pay for it, we want to be able to reap some of the benefits, of course.
For sure.